In this session, I will explain how to edit your document. See, when you are typing information in your document, suppose I have some information already, and if you keep on typing, see, this page fill up, automatically you will get next page. This is the page break between a page and another page. Okay, and if you fill up this, suppose I am typing, and if you want next line, press enter. Of course, here we have numbering, that's why it is giving numbering, and I am deselecting bold and italic. Now keep on typing. I can type up to right margin. See, this is the right margin. A line we can type from the left margin up to right margin and press enter. Otherwise, automatically, if the margin is coming, means automatically it will goes to the next line. Otherwise, you have to press enter to get next line. Okay, when you finish this particular page, means automatically you will get page break. That means you are in the next page. See, in the status bar also it is showing that you are in 3 of 3, means totally you are having 3 pages. In that you are in third page, and if you click on this page, see the status bar, page 2 of 3. That means totally you are having 3 pages, you are in second page. I am scrolling to top, otherwise you can click here also, otherwise you can use arrow keys also in the keyboard to scroll up and down, and rightwards and leftwards you can move like this using arrow keys, keyboard arrow keys. Suppose in the middle, if you want next line between 5 and 6, click on the area and say enter. Automatically you will get next line. Here you can type next line, and if you want another line, and press like that. And if you don't want this particular line, means select the line and press delete or backspace to remove the line. I am pressing delete button, so deleted. Or otherwise you can select, I can also select using shift left arrow key or shift right arrow key if the cursor is in the starting position. Delete, and you can move using arrow keys left as well as to right, as well as to up, as well as to down, up, right, up, down, left, right arrow keys enables you to move in the document from one location to another location. And see, suppose I am in the particular location. If you want to go to the starting of the line, just say home. Automatically you are in starting of the line. And if you want to get end position, say end in the keyboard. End in the keyboard. See, home to the starting of the line, end to the end of the line. And if you want to move to the very beginning of the document, say control home. See, this is the beginning of the document. And if you want to go to the end of the document, say control end. ctrl plus end, ctrl plus end key. Hold down the control key and press end key. And to go to the home, control plus home key. Hold down the control key and press home key to get the starting position in the document, and control plus end key to get the end of the document. And in between you can go through the document using arrow keys, and to a line starting position home end without control key, home end, home end, like that. Like that you can navigate through the document. Okay, and see, this line I want in, from this part I want in the next line. So click the area and say enter. Automatically you can change the font like that, it is coming into the next line. And if you want to set that line to join to the previous line, cursor is there in the starting position, then you say backspace, backspace. See, automatically it is moving, and keep on, if you keep on pressing backspace means it will remove the previous words, and if you keep on delete means it is deleting, forward deleting, backward deleting. Backspace means backward deleting, and delete means this is forward deleting. Okay, like that you can delete one by one characters from forward as well as backward using backspace and delete. Okay, so like that we can edit in the document, and there is editing group in the home tab. In this we have options find, replace, select options. Find means finding a particular word in the document. So control F is the shortcut key for that. Control F. You can press control F to get find. See, otherwise I am closing here and select find. See, that is find. What you want to find? Suppose I want to find Microsoft. Microsoft. See, Microsoft, where is Microsoft? There it will gives you the result. I am giving M I R C O, micro. See, it is highlighting where the word found in the entire document. Micro, micro, like that. Okay, like that you can find the words in the document. Next, we have replace option. Replace option enables you to replace the particular words in the already existed document. See, replace, it is giving again a dialog box. Here also you have find, replace and go to. Three options are there in the area. So replace, first it is asking micro, what you want to replace, what you want to find and what you want to replace with. I want to replace micro with macro. Suppose find what? Micro and replace with macro. So, find one by one, find. Now, it will finds where the cursor is. Suppose I am placing cursor from the starting position. Now, say find. So, it is beginning from this word onwards. I will replace with macro. Replace. See, micro replaced with macro. Next word, replace. Next, like that I can replace. If you want to replace all words, replace all. Okay, where the micro is, there it became macro. Now again I want to replace macro with micro. Then see, now I want to search macro and replace with micro. So, replace all. At a time 6 replacements done here. Okay. Again Microsoft, like that it replaced. And while replacing and while finding, we have options like this. For example, if I set match case, suppose I am giving here micro, but in this area M is the capital. So, I am matching the case. By default, without case sensitiveness, it will follow the rules. Now, I am giving match case, find next. So, no result found, means all words with micro is having M capital letter, but I am giving here M is small letter. It is matching the case. Suppose if you deselect this, means now it will find all the words. Okay, like that we can use match case and whole words only. Suppose Microsoft is the word, but here I am finding micro only. Suppose if you set whole words only, it will not find micro, because there is no micro individual word. It is with Microsoft. Okay. So, like that we can have number of options to search as well as to replace. Okay. And we have go to option also, to where you want to go to. Suppose I want to go to the page 3. If you are having number of pages, you can navigate or you can go to the particular area. Suppose page 3. Right now I am in page 1. See the status bar, page 1, go to, I am giving go to page. Now I am in page 3. See that. Like that you can directly go to the required page, and I am giving page 1, go to. And we can make sessions also. I will show you how to make sessions in the later sessions. And line also, particular line you can go to the particular line number 20. I am giving, go to there. So 20th line position we are in. Here we have an option called select. See, select means selecting the text or objects in the document. For example, manually I can use mouse or otherwise keyboard shift arrow keys, right side or otherwise left side. And if you are coming down, for example, here I placed my cursor and shift down arrow keys. Downwards it will keep on select, and upwards I can deselect and I can select. in any way. This is one type of selection from the keyboard using shift and arrow keys. Otherwise, we can select the particular area using by clicking mouse and dragging the area, and you can also select using this option, select all. Shortcut key for that is Ctrl A. If you want to select the entire document, suppose Ctrl A. If you don't want this one, means simply press backspace. Okay. By mistake I did that particular action. If you want to undo, undo is the option. Undo typing. Undo typing, or what the last action you did, that will get undo. So undo. Again redo means repeating the action. Like that we can apply undo and redo to any kind of action. For example, I am deleting this particular one, that is what you did just. If you selected undo, means that will, see, it is getting one by one back, and redo means again one by one character I deleted, that's why it is getting undo redo like that. And suppose if you selected this one and say delete, if you want to get back that one, just Ctrl Z or undo. Ctrl Z undo, Ctrl Y is the keyword redo. Ctrl Y and Ctrl Z. CTRL, hold the Ctrl and plus you press Z. Ctrl Z to undo, CTRL plus Y to redo. Okay, Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. Last action will get undo or redo. Okay. Anyway, here we have the selection option. Select all means selecting entire document. And if you want to select only the similar formatting options, see, select text with similar formatting. Suppose I want to select the text with same format. I have only this one. Suppose I am making a copy. By selecting this one, I am copying and I am pasting somewhere, and I am pasting here. I want to select only these kind of text, only this kind of formatted text. So in that case, place the cursor here and select text with similar formatting. Now see, this got highlighted, and scroll down mouse and see the highlighted text. These 3 lines only selected, similar formatting text, and if you place cursor here, it will select that kind of formatting text. See, only similar formatted text it is selecting. So like that you can select a part of the document. And we have select objects option. Objects means here pictures etc. tools. Suppose if you want to get objects, insert is the tab. Here suppose I am selecting, you can get pictures as well as shapes etc. etc. Suppose I am selecting some shapes. So this is an object, and insert, suppose you can select pictures, but it is asking need internet connection. Through internet also you can download pictures. Suppose I am selecting more shapes here. I will show you how to insert all these and how to format all these later sessions. Okay, these two are the objects here. Now see, select objects. You can select objects like this. Normally also you can select, not a problem. Suppose I am double clicking, I return back to the normal mode and directly you can select. If you want to select multiple objects, hold down the shift key and press on another key. Now both objects selected, and you can drag and you can change the sizes etc. at a time, and you can copy also. You can, suppose I will make a copy and I will make a paste, control V, and any number of times I can paste. Okay, like that I can use selection, selecting text or selecting particular objects, and you have select pane also. See what you want to select. See, these are the different objects you are having. You can select the particular object to which you want to select, and see, show all, hide all. Show all, hide all option is there. All these options hidden, and if you want show, show all. So like this you can apply selection option in the editing tab. So like that we can use find, replace, select. Okay,